Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Access Management product release video for December 2020. HelloID Access Management is a 100% born-in-the-cloud, easy-to-configure and maintain user provisioning solution. It helps organizations to fully automate the user lifecycle management in the network by connecting the HR or SIS as a source system. Every change in this source is detected and processed into the network. No more worries about stale user accounts, accumulation of licenses or access rights, manual user management, or compliancy issues. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionalities for the December 2020 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the December 2020 release. In this release, 2 new features have been added. First off, we added the report Multi-Factor Usage. This report gives more insight about the usage of multi-factor authentication. With this new report, an administrator can see which multi-factors are being used. The report is also using our new reporting interface, which gives administrators the possibility of creating their own reports. In the future, more default reports will be added to the reporting interface by Tools Forever. Secondly, we now also support multiple enrollment registrations. This functionality gives the end user the option to enroll the same factor multiple times. For example, when a user has 2 different phone numbers, hardware keys, or smartphones, the user can now enroll these additional factors through the security page, and when multiple factors are available, he or she will be prompted which factor has to be used. Also, during the enrollment wizard, the user will be asked to enroll the same factor multiple times. Our new multi-factor usage report has been added in the new reporting module. Please keep in mind that you must have permissions to this module by using groups. Add the users to the read and write, or only read, group to assign the appropriate permissions. After you assign the appropriate permissions, you can log on by clicking on the pie chart icon in the upper corner. When logged into the portal, you can see the menu here. And here is the MFA usage report that has been added. Later on, the other reports that are available here will also be added to the production environment. In this new report, you can see the usage of different MFA types on your own portal. As you can see, here you have the Authenticator and SMS. You can see the count. You can also see the graph that will fill up during the coming weeks. And here you can see the top users of multi-factor, and the latest log rules are available here on the screen. Here it is possible to filter. In the upper part, you can select one user and see all the options of this user. This user, for example, has never logged on with multi-factor. You have the radius test. You should be able to use the Authenticator app. And here's another difference with the log files between the legacy Authenticator and the Push to Verify. When using Push to Verify, additional stats, Push to Verify, is set to true. It's also possible to create your own report with the Report Management tool. When you click on Report Management and you have the appropriate permissions because your user has been added to your group, you are able to create your own dashboard and visualizations. You are also able to see all the data that has been sent to your portal. As you can see here, you can change the time frame for example, the last 15 days, update it, and you see all the data that has come through. As you can see, here is a logon. You can see the city, the name, etc. You are able to create your own tables and dashboards. When creating a dashboard, you can select Create New, and you have several options to visualize the data that's available. For example, you have the Lens option, which lets you easily select a couple of items you want to have shown, and it easily generates a pie chart for you. There are a lot of options in this module, which can be all we talk about in this video, but if you have any more questions, please let us know. It is now possible to enroll the same factor multiple times. This enables an end user to register multiple devices to have their second factor done. For example, we can add different email addresses to have our multi-factor code sent to. First, I'll enroll the radius test at enjoy.org mail address. And now we're able to add another email address. As you can see, now there are 2 different mail addresses enrolled. When starting the application, it will allow us to choose which email address the multi-factor code will be sent to. This is also available for SMS, hardware token, and of course the multi-factor authentication push to verify app. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.